Are you considering Mobirise for your landing page needs? Before you make that decision, here are 12 key things you should know. Stick around till the end, and we'll compare it to other options on the market to help you make the right choice. The first thing to note is Mobirise is a drag and drop website builder designed for non-tech users. Unlike other platforms, it doesn't require any coding, which makes it beginner friendly. However, that also means you're somewhat limited in customization compared to more advanced builders like WordPress or Wix. Next thing to keep in mind is its offline functionality. You can build websites without being connected to the internet, which is great if you're on the go or have limited connectivity. But once you're online, you'll need to sync with their platform to publish your site, unlike cloud-based tools that let you work and publish in real time. The third thing you should know is Mobirise's pricing model. While it's free to download and start using, many of its features are locked behind paid extensions. You may find yourself needing to purchase these extras for more advanced functionality, unlike competitors like Elementor, which provide a lot more in their free version. Now, let's talk templates. Mobirise has a decent collection, but many users feel that the templates are a bit outdated or too basic. Competitors like Leadpages and Unbounce offer more modern, professionally designed templates that are regularly updated to meet current trends. The fifth thing to consider is the mobile responsiveness. Mobirise's designs are mobile-friendly by default, but customizing how the site looks on different devices can be tricky. Other landing page builders like Instapage offer more robust mobile editing features. Next, it's worth mentioning the integration options. Mobirise does offer integrations with popular tools like Google Analytics and MailChimp, but compared to platforms like Wix or Webflow, its integration library is a little sparse. The seventh thing is that Mobirise is not a hosted solution. You need to find your own web hosting provider, which adds an extra layer of complexity for beginners. Most competitors, such as Squarespace or Wix, take care of hosting for you, saving you time and effort. The eighth thing to know is its SEO capabilities. Mobirise has basic SEO features, but it doesn't have the advanced tools you'll find in other page builders, like Yoast SEO for WordPress. If SEO is a priority for you, you might find this limiting. The ninth thing is the learning curve. Although it's simple to use compared to other website builders, it can still take some time to get used to if you're not familiar with design software. Some alternatives like Card or Tilde are even simpler for beginners, especially if you're just looking to create a one-page site. Next, Mobirise doesn't support e-commerce features out of the box. If you need to build an online store, you'd have to integrate third-party e-commerce tools, whereas platforms like Shopify or BigCommerce are dedicated to e-commerce from the start. The 11th thing to note is that while Mobirise supports multiple languages, it's not as easy to localize your website across regions. If global scalability is important for your business, you might find alternatives like Webflow or Wix more accommodating. Finally, it's important to know that Mobirise doesn't offer 24/7 customer support. You'll rely on community forums and email support, which can be a slower process. Competitors like Unbounce offer more comprehensive customer service. So, is Mobirise a good option? If you're a beginner or you need a simple landing page and you're okay with the limitations, it can be a great choice. However, if you're looking for more features, flexibility, and better support, check out our recommended solution that you can try for free.